Hey guys, Mickey Albert at Johnson RV here in Sandy, America's #1 premium pre-owned dealer. We're going to make a quick walkthrough. We have a 2013 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. And again, if you know what we do up here, we have the nicest ones in the country. So again, 2013, it's on the Sprinter chassis. It's got that great turbo diesel, so fantastic fuel economy and such a nice drive. So this one has a couple features. I'll show you the backup camera in the rear, but they've also got blinker cameras as well. Again, just making a coach this size so easy to drive, so easy to maneuver. We've got awesome full body paint, 5 coats. Such a good job. Again, even with a 2013, it looks brand new. Nice sleek windows. So again, all these windows are going to open up from the bottom, giving us that awning style. Keeps the rain on a day like this. You can keep those windows open and still get some cross ventilation, but no moisture inside. They do a great job with the storage. So obviously in the small size coach, you got good size storage. There's another one in the back. But anytime you can get a little extra stuff for the trip, makes it nice. Easy access panels, and then you have some plug-ins as well. Those who like to either have something to plug in, and then you have a nice awning that is just about the length of the coach, so you can be set up outside and enjoy your camping trip. This is a nice feature, a big upgrade on the Leisure. This is a diesel 3200 watt Onan Gen. Nice upgrade for people who like to travel the United States. And then again, small size storage. This one has some hoses and everything and a cover. You can put anything you want in those. Again, if you've watched Leisure Travel, and most of you have, I don't jump out of these, but absolutely can. Couple little shelves, nice hanging hooks. And then again, this top shelf is accessible from the inside as well. So again, just a nice setup for storage. Coming around the back, you have the nice window, so inside you'll see from the restroom, but you've got your backup camera, and then these are also equipped with a tow hitch as well. It's rated at 5,000 pounds. And again, nice sleek paint job. Looks good from all angles. Back here in these two, you kind of have your setup. So you have obviously your black and gray dump setup. You have your propane fill, propane's automatic shut-off switch, and then over here you have hot and cold water, your winterization, your TV hookups, and then your potable water. You have all of that right here, nice and easy to access. Other than that, you got your 30 amp plug, spot for your sewer hose, and then obviously you have a slide topper for the slide for that Murphy bed. Let's go on inside and take a look. Hey guys, Mickey Albert again. We're inside that 2013 Unity Murphy bed. Gorgeous coach, amazing ultra leather up front. They do a great job on the front seats. Pretty basic in the Sprinter chassis. You've got obviously the dash components have your monitor for your backup camera and your blinker cameras. Super nice, steering wheel, your automatic windows. Again, pretty basic for the Sprinter. They do a great job with the storage. So we've got 2 overhead compartments, obviously nice and insulated, and then plenty of storage up over top. And then right here in the front half of the cab, we just have 2 other nice little storages for you as well. Great dinette setup. So a lot of people love this aspect. So definitely can have obviously 2, even 3 people sitting here having a nice conversation or a nice dinner. And then obviously Murphy bed comes down over it. Sitting straight across, we've got a nice size window. We can pop the TV. It's going to pop right up. So you have, again, nice setup for enjoying TV, conversation. And then again, if you like that sunlight, you want the window, you have a nice window there as well. Getting back into the kitchen, nice little L-shaped, super nice Corian solid countertops. You've got your 2-burner stove, spot for a garbage can, and a great size sink. I'm the cook in my family, so this creates a nice space for me to prepare meals. But again, on a coach this size, plenty of space. Got microwave up top and a really nice size refrigerator and freezer. I know that my family likes to get a carton or 2 of ice cream in there. So again, this creates plenty of space for that. Again, just being the cook, you've got plenty of space, whether it's, you know, spices or bread or just food. A nice sized pantry. And then again, in these Murphy bed models, so many people like them for the size of the bathroom and storage space. So really nice size cabinet and wardrobe area. So you can absolutely hang some clothes, nice size shelf, and then you have really nice sliding drawers for you. And then that outside space I was telling you about, you've got a couple little shelves, and you have a space up there as well. Very nice bathroom sink. That window from the back, you have can either get some sunlight and have that in. These also fold in to close that off, so you have your privacy, and then you have some extra storage. And then with these corner showers, plenty of space, easy for a guy my size to jump in, and, you know, plenty of space in the shower. So please come and see us. It's the 2013 Unity Murphy bed. We'd love to have you out here in Sandy, Oregon.